Hi, it's Era. And I'm gonna do my natural makeup look. And I'm gonna give you some tips at the end of the video. So oh my god. So watch till the end of the video. So do it. So yeah, this is it. First I'm gonna put this foundation. Oh my god, it still have its price. So sorry. I'm gonna put this foundation. It's Maybelline Fit Me Matte Chuchu, whatever this is, and I don't know how to. Is this right? Yeah. So that is it. So first I'm gonna put it. Is so yeah, and I'm just gonna blend my foundation with my hands. So yeah, and next with foundation is concealer. So by the way, before you put some foundation in your face or some makeup or anything, be sure that you clean your face and also put some moisturizer to avoid some, breakouts. Like yeah. So next, I'm gonna put some concealer under my eye to make it. So this, by the way, my concealer is, I don't know because it's already, the name of it is already gone, it's erased. So just use any concealer you want, but you can afford or what you have, it's okay. As long as it can hide those black things and other unnecessary stuff in your face, but all natural. So and then as you can see, I have some breakouts on my face. So we're gonna put some. But for me, if you want a natural makeup look or a natural look with makeup, it's okay if your pimples are visible because it's natural. It's all natural, so it's okay. But I'm just gonna hide to the reddish, red stuff. Then after I put my concealer, next thing is I put the foundation. Which is Maybelline. This clear smooth all in one. So this is my finished look. No, not really. This is my powder and foundation and concealer finished look. So after I put those things, I'm gonna put some. Where is it? Where's my? Oh, so this is it. So I'm gonna put my eyebrow tie. So yeah. I'm gonna put some eyebrow. I'm gonna put some eyebrow to make it more thicker. But for me, I don't like those eyebrow, whatever. What do you call this? I don't like those drawing stuff. Like it's so unnatural and it looks fake. It looks fake. Whatever. I this and just make some lines. And ta-da! And then next, I'm gonna brush it with eyebrow brush. That's my finished eyebrow look. What is this? Oh. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, I have this kind white thing on my eyes. Around my eyes. What is this? I hate it. What is this? I'm gonna just... So, and then next I'm gonna do my eyelashes. So yeah, eyelashes. So my lashes, I put some also Maybelline already is the words are already gone, so but it's Maybelline. It's Maybelline Maybelline Super Curl, I guess, or Hyper Curl Volume 24. Sorry, I don't know. It's already gone. But if just use anything, just use anything that you have. It's okay. Already, life goes on. Life goes on. Couple of years. So first, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes before I put some mascara. So that's it. I have my eyelashes, and next I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So next I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use my, I don't know, this pink whatever shadow palette, whatever. Sorry, I'm not really into, you know, makeup things. I don't know how to. I look dumb. But and next, I'm gonna do a. I forgot. If to make your nose, to highlight your nose, put your use some of your powdered eyebrow and put it here, and use this contour. So use this powdered contour, I guess. I don't know how do you call that, but it's brown in the wood. Blush time! Yay! So it's blush time. In blushing stuff, I use this peaches or orange. I don't know what the color of this. I'm not remember, but I think it's peachy or orange stuff. And then sometimes I use my liquid lipstick for if I want to add more colors. Make it more cute. So if you want to look like you're under the sun or anything, so just put some here in your nose. So next is my lips. First, I'm gonna put some moisturizer on my lips, or just put some, but Vaseline or anything, lip balm. So I usually mix colors my lips. So first is I'm gonna use this baby doll brown, whatever, but it's baby doll. Oh, focus. Oh, it doesn't make sense. Does it? Does it? Does it? No. So I use this baby doll brown. Baby doll, it's brown for me. And this it's a local brand from our country. It's Bet na Bet, Vice Bet na Bet, and I guess it's more on pinkish or whatever nude, but first I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. And don't forget the highlights. Joke. I don't have a real highlight or something. I just use my eyeshadow to glittering, shimmering, whatever eyeshadow, and put it on my nose. And here in Cupid bow. So that's the final look. So that's the final look of natural makeup look. So yeah. So this is my tip. That's all for today. So goodbye. Adios.